We would like to give a special thanks to Epoch, Moose, MGA, and Mattel for providing us with these toys. With Easter right around the corner, let's take a look at a few ideas for a fun Easter basket. Kinder Joy has Easter-themed eggs. We found these at the grocery store for $1.50 each. When you open them up, one side has chocolate and the other side has a surprise. To be honest, I am only interested in the surprise. Let's see what this is. Is that a bee? There are simple instructions included, so you can assemble a small toy. Sometimes these mini toys are perfect to be toys for our dolls. So let's see what this is. Maybe it's something we can use. Is that another bug? Yep, it's a ladybug. I love the Disney Princess Kinder Eggs and the Barbie ones. These seem to have a little spring theme and a lot of bugs. Doubles. I can't say that I am a huge bug fan, unless they are Bug Buddies from Enchantimals. Bug Buddies are a new addition to the Enchantimals world. On the back of the box, it says their names. This is Kay Caterpillar and Scriggly, and this is Beatrice Bee and Pollen. Let's take this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, each one comes with a small stand and a tiny bug friend. It looks like you can attach them to the side of the stand so they can be displayed as well. They have 1 point of articulation, they can move at the neck, and stand about 2 inches tall. So they are a lot smaller than Enchantimals and have less articulation. But it could be a lot of fun to see them hanging around in the Enchantimal world. Finding Pusheen vinyl figures in an Easter basket could be a lot of fun. We found these at Barnes & Noble for $6.95 each. There are 10 to collect. They come in the cutest little packaging. They are called Surprise Minis, and this is Series 1. When we open it, there is a foil bag inside. Just tear it open and... aww! We have a pink Pusheen minifigure with a little heart. Our second one is... please don't be a double. Please don't be a double. We got a green one, and these are totally Easter colors, and they are perfect for the dollhouse. We have filled the basket with Noms snackable slime kits. Even though they say snackables, they are totally not edible. There are many surprises inside for ages 3 and up. Let's open it. Oh, they've got pretty packaging on the inside. And I'm just totally tearing through this. It says, "Get cooking." The other side says, "Why are donuts so sensitive?" I'm guessing that's a joke. I don't know. Why are donuts so sensitive? 'Cause they have all the fills. Oh, like fillings. Aha, I get it. I'm slow. There's a collector's guide showing all of the different snackables you may find, along with instructions. Let's see which surprises we have. This is Silly Sizzle, and she smells like maple syrup. Our next surprise is a plastic cupcake liner. And the last one is... it's an egg. Goldie Yolks. It's in the ultra rare section. Inside, there is a scented secret slime. Oh, it's in a bag, so that makes cleanup a little easier. It is a pink glitter slime with foam in it. And it's supposed to smell like marshmallows, but I don't really smell anything. But when it comes to slimes, not smelling anything is a plus for me. Yanny Yolk is hidden inside. We can place all of this inside of the egg, then pretend to crack it open and watch the slime come out. Alright, we just have to help it out a little bit. There you go, slime. Looks like eggs and sausage is on the menu today. I really like how you can open up the packaging and use it for a protected surface, so you can start playing right away. Since these are surprise boxes, you can get something new every time. Or you could end up with doubles, because that happens. Let's open another one. And I can already see that we have a different inside to our packaging. And a new joke. Why do comedians love eggs? I'm guessing it's because they crack up. Am I right? They know how to take a yolk. Oh, like a joke. I get it. Yolk joke. Okay. We have 4 surprises this time. The first one is a cracker. Cassandra cracker, smells like vanilla. Then Rockin' Ronnie, which I think is pastrami, cherry cheese. And our last one is slime. With a little plastic knife. It's peachy jelly. We can use the knife to scoop out the jelly, then smear it onto the cracker. Add cheese, a little more jelly. This is getting messy. And Ronnie. To make a slimy snackable that is completely not edible. I stress that, not edible. But it is a lot of fun to play with food. This is a special limited edition Scruffa Loves called Blossom Bunnies for ages 2 and up. These have a mystery color bunny. Who will you rescue? They come in what looks like a pet carrier. Pull the tab at the top that says Release Me. I am never any good with these. Inside, you will find your Scruffa Love with a certificate of adoption, an exclusive flower crown, and a brush. Find a Scruffy, make us fluffy. This poor little bunny is a little ball of fur, and we have to clean it up so we can see our bunny. First, we wash it in a little bit of water. Oops, make sure you can breathe. In the water, the bunny will start to open up. Come up for air, bunny, come up for air! Let's give it a good wash. Since water is involved, you want to make sure you are playing on a protected surface. This can get a little messy. Dry them off. To save time, I put the bunny in the dryer on low. Sorry, bunny! Come back! Never put real bunnies in the dryer. Just throwing that out there. Use the included brush to style the bunny so it can go from scruff to fluff. Whoa, I might have gone overboard with the fluffing. I am definitely not a bunny stylist. Let's put the headband on there to try to calm that hair down a little bit. Here we go. Say hello to Posy with her new flower crown. Speaking of cute little critters, let's fill the basket with Calico Critters. These are from the Calico Critters nursery collection. For $12.95, this is the Nursery Friends set. We get baby bunnies, kittens, and chipmunks. They have 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Standing around 2 inches tall. They have sewn clothes that can be removed. They have shoes and accessories. And in case you were wondering, Barbie babies can wear some of their clothes. For $17.95, there is a baby Ferris wheel. Assembly is required, but there are instructions, so I'm gonna go and put this together. Ta-da! And now we have a working Ferris wheel for our babies. The front doors of each one open. It comes with a baby toy poodle that is also articulated. Let's get you to sit inside. Close the door. Oops, hang on. Then it can take a ride on our new Ferris wheel. And if we need more little friends for our Ferris wheel, there are surprise bags. The Baby Band series that we saw last year, and the Baby Shopping series. The Baby Band series is easy to find at Walmart, and inside you will find an instrument and a little baby. The baby has 1 point of articulation. It can move at the head. And this one comes with a cute little piano, which would look great in any doll room. It could be a toy for the toddlers of our 12-inch dolls. The baby shopping series is new for me. This is my very first one. There are 9 to collect, and it looks like they come with really cute accessories. I am hoping for that cash register. I could really use that. And there is a secret critter. I am really excited to see which one we have. And it is not the cash register. Aww. This is Beth Polar Bear with ice cream. Unlike the band series, these have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the shoulder, leg, and head. Surprise bags are great for Easter baskets. Since baby animals are super cute, here are Lil Gleemerz babies. These have lights and sounds and are for ages 3 and up. The tail is super colorful. You just press the nose to turn it on, and it lights up. It makes a lot of noises, and if you want it to go to sleep, press and hold the nose until it turns off. You can't do an Easter basket video and not talk about Hatchimal collectibles. These are from the Mermal Magic series. They are some of the prettiest Hatchimal eggs I have ever seen. They're metallic with sparkles. They are pre-decorated eggs, perfect for egg hunts. Did somebody say egg hunts? Because I'm like a pro. Not now, Sophie. Once you find these eggs, you hold them, hatch them, and play. Aw, we got Mermal twins in that one. I love opening Hatchimals. There is something really satisfying about breaking the eggs. This one looks like a hermit crab. When you shake this egg, you can hear something rattling inside. I wonder what is inside. Oh, it's just another Mermal. I am down to my last Hatchimal, and we have a little sheep on a surfboard. That is so cool that these come with accessories. And some of them have a magic water reveal that you can see when you place them in warm water. His tail turned yellow. The hermit crab goes from dark green to yellow. I think the surfboard will change color. Yep, to light blue. So you can have a lot of fun discovering new secrets with your Hatchimals. It's a surprise within a surprise. If you love surprises, check out Barbie Surprise Eggs. We had fun with these on YouTube Live a few weeks ago. These eggs feature Barbie pets with bonus stickers inside. There's a perforated edge so we can peel off the paper without throwing the egg everywhere. Inside, here are the stickers, and this is our surprise pet, a fuzzy cat. The pets inside of the eggs are the same as the Barbie Pet Series 3. So if you're still working on Series 3, now you know where to go to find more pets. In addition to Barbie pets, what about a Barbie fashion pack basket? These fashion packs are pretty reasonably priced. You can find a single item for $2.50 to $2.99 or a complete outfit for $5. There are so many themes to choose from Teen Titans Go to Looney Tunes to Toy Story 4 or your basic Barbie fashion. Let's not forget DC. New fashion packs? I have been looking everywhere for the Toy Story 4 Aliens fashion pack. I am going to have a whole closet full of alien stuff. Ooh, it fits great. We have a blue alien shirt, green alien skirt, and a blue spaceship tote bag. If you rather keep your feet on the ground, here is a butterfly top with ruffle sleeves, patch denim skirt, purple sunglasses, and a white handbag. From DC, we found this black and pink mesh top with the Supergirl logo. It makes a great workout outfit for our dolls. We paired it with made-to-move Barbie leggings, for an instant workout outfit. This is a Teen Titans Go t-shirt with sparkly sleeves featuring Raven. This Tweety Bird shirt has spring written all over it. It's pink and yellow with ruffles and has a baby chick on the front. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few ideas for our Easter baskets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another toy haul. And that's our collection for now.
Hit the floor, stays home, getting bored.